Welcome to the online presentation class.
Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my today's online presentation class. Here presenting myself, Sonia Yasmin, lecturer, Department of Agriculture, Milestone College, Uttara, Dhaka. Let's start with my today's online presentation class.
Today I will discuss about some important topics according to chapter number 1, section number 1, that is shrimp farming and management. At the end of this chapter, you will be able to know discussion about potentially important STEM and to know about applied and higher ability based questions and answers. Here, some important STEMs will be discussed from all boards. First of all, Dhaka, Chittagong, Sylhet, Boishal, Dinajpur Board 2019. Here, one important STEM according to this shrimp farming and management, this chapter, chapter number 1, section number 2, the important STEM will be discussed. Here is the important STEM. A monthly magazine on aquaculture or agriculture is Krishi Kotha. After reading a report in this magazine, Mr. Shariful came to know that shrimp is called the white gold of Bangladesh and it has great potential for cultivation in Bangladesh. After reading the report, Mr. Shariful was excited and decided to cultivate shrimp in his pond. He went to the fisheries officer for necessary advice. The fisheries officer advised him to cultivate in mixed farming method. Now it's time to know about some important applied and hard ability based questions according to the STEM. Here question number C. The question is explain the characteristics of shrimp mentioned in the STEM. Here is the answer. The name of the shrimp mentioned in the STEM is Golda prawn or giant freshwater prawn. Here are the physical characteristics of Golda prawn. Golda looks like green to almond or blackish color or bluish. One Golda weight up to 350 gram and length up to 320 millimeter. It's omnivorous. Head is very big and half of its body weight. 2 to 5 blackish crosswise belt can be found on the carapace. Lives in fresh water. The rostrum is long and curved and nostrum in lower side. The number of notches is 11 to 14 in the upper side and 8 to 14 in the lower side. Teeny flagellate. First, two tolerist apodens from into gillette. These are all about physical characteristics of Golda prawn. Now, it's time to know about higher ability type question. Question number D. How Mr. Shariful will prepare the pond for shrimp farming? Analyze. Here is the answer. To prepare pond for shrimp farming, some important topics should be mind or remembered. The bank of the pond should be so high that it doesn't get flooded. The pond can be prepared in the following way. First of all, drying the pond. Before culturing shrimp, all the water of the pond should be taken out. Then, the bottom of the pond should be dried for 2 to 5 weeks under the sunlight. Then, the bank and bottom of the pond should be cleaned properly. Controlling weed. Presence of weeds in water hamper cultivation of fishes in many ways, like fishes cannot move freely. Sun and mud become infertile. Shortage of food, spread germs, shortage of oil and sunlight, oxygen. Removing voracious fishes. for ensuring good cultivation of shrimp. Voracious fishes like boal, turkey, shoal, etc. should be removed along with some harmful animals like snake, frog, etc. Removal work should be completed within the dry season by drying the water of pond. The removal procedure includes two ways such as required amount of rotenone powder or bleaching powder should be mixed properly with the water in a bucket and should be scattered all over the pond. It should be done during the hours of sunlight. After 15 to 20 minutes, a net should be spread over the pond and in it the voracious fishes will be caught after thrown out. The amount of rotenone powder will be 3 to 4 ppm. The place through which water will enter in the pond. That gate should be covered by nylon net. After that, application of lime should be needed. Lime is applied in the pond water to kill the germs. Application of lime increases the alkalinity and fertility of soil. If water is more acidic, more lime will be applied by using pH meter to determine the acidity of water. Application of lime using pH meter is shown below. If pH value is 4, then 4.4 kg of lime should be applied. If pH value is 4.5, then 3 to 4 kg of lime should be applied. If pH value is 5, then 2.6 kg of lime should be applied. pH value is 5.6, then 2.2 kg lime should be applied. And after that, fertilizer should be applied. Cow dung, urea, TSP, etc. are some important fertilizers. After 2 to 3 weeks of fertilizers application, natural feed of the pond should be examined. Then, after applying fertilizer, the depth of water should be 3 to 4 feet. Collection of fish fries. Generally, the area of river which is connected with the sea and where prevails the effect of total boards, a greater deal of fish fries can be collected from the area in the month of March to August. These are all about applied and high ability based questions, and you should remember these questions and answers. Now, some important question from another board, Rajshahi, Jashore, Kumilla Board 2019. Here, two figure has been given according to STEM, figure X and figure Y. Here are some important applied and high ability type question. Question number C, that is applied question. Explain the similarities and differences between figure X and figure Y. Here, figure X indicates Golda prawn and figure Y indicates Bagda prawn. Now, the similarities and differences between Golda prawn and Bagda prawn. Here are the differences and similarities. First of all, habitat. Golda prawn lives in fresh water. Bagda prawn lives in saline water. Head and carapace. Golda prawn head is very big, about half of its body weight, and Bagda prawn head is small, about 1/3 of its total body weight. Rostrum. Golda prawn, the rostrum is long and curved and notched in lower side. Bagda prawn, the rostrum is small and straight. Number of notches in rostrums. Golda prawn, it has got 11 to 14 notches in the upper side and 8 to 14 notches in the lower side. Bagda prawn, it has got 7 to 8 notches in the upper side and 2 to 3 notches in the lower side. Antennules. Golda prawn, T-flagellated and Bagda prawn biflagellated. Striped. Golda prawn, it has 2 to 5 blackish cross wise belt on its carapace, and Bagda prawn, its body has stripes like tiger. Color, Galdar prawn it is green to almond, and Baghdad prawn it is light almond or green. Food, Galdar prawn it is omnivorous and Baghdad prawn it is carnivorous. Now it's about to know question number D, that is a hard ability type question. In the context of Bangladesh, explain the future prospects of figure X, that is Galdar prawn. Here are the future prospects or possibilities of shrimp culture in Bangladesh. The weather, climate, soil and water of Bangladesh are very suitable for shrimp culture. It's very dependable both in local and international market. Among all fish resources, 65% export income comes only from shrimp. National income from shrimp export is 7.8%. Shrimp fries are locally available. There are 60 hatcheries for Bagda and 80 hatcheries for Golda, which produce a shrimp fries. At present, there are almost 16,000 Bagda farms, 27,000 Golda farms. These farms cover an area of 1.5 lakh hectare and produce almost 30,000 metric ton prawn. A prawn farm can be established with less investment. Farmers can easily culture shrimp by using less space and less investment. It can also be cultured in rice fields. Care, seasonal or temporary pond. Shrimp can be cultured throughout the year. Mixed culture is also possible with carp type of fish. In export, income position of shrimp is after garments. At present, in coastal areas, 30% land is used for culturing shrimp and there is 2.35 lakh hectares. Lands which is suitable for shrimp culture. In 25 districts of Bangladesh, total 8,000 hectare land is used for culturing Galda and there is possibility for culturing shrimp in all districts. 1.5 to 2 lakh people are involved in collecting shrimp fry in shrimp production and processing. In Cox's Bazar, shrimp can be cultured in salt fields. Government and non-government organizations are arranging different types of training programs for shrimp culture. Government and non-government organizations are also providing loan for shrimp culture. There are 6 training institutes, 20 shrimp collection and care centers in Bangladesh. Unused and empty land can be used for shrimp culture. PL, post larva and Bagda almost 6 crore and PL of Golda is 12 crores are produces. Shrimp is nocturnal. So here are the important applied and higher ability type questions and answer. Now some important questions from Vedas College. First of all, in Milestone College, there is a STEM. Mr. Alabin farms charm freshwater prawn in the southeastern part in the country. It processes shrimp in a modern way and exports it to various countries including Europe, America and Australia. He benefited a lot from this. Now, the answer is question number C. Describe Mr. Alavin's shrimp processing and marketing method. Here is the answer. First of all, raw materials from shrimp should be collected. After that, weight and grading. Next, transferred to industry. After that, fish with carapaces or fish without carapaces and wash them with 20 ppm chlorine solution. After that, export grading. Wash and 10 ppm chlorine, wet, wash with 5 ppm chlorine, panning, freezing at minus 40 degree, packing, freezing at minus 18 degree. This is all about shrimp processing and marketing method. Now, question number C. The future of shrimp farming in Bangladesh is bright. Analyze according to the STEM. Yes, the future of shrimp farming in Bangladesh is very much high and bright because shrimp farming is very much profitable cultivation procedure in Bangladesh. Here, the weather and climate and water of Bangladesh are very much suitable for shrimp farming. National income can be developed in case of shrimp farming. And there are 60,000 of Bagda hatcheries, and a prawn farm can be established with less investment. This culture is also possible with carp type fishes, lands which is suitable for shrimp culture. Obviously, possibility of culturing shrimp is in all districts are done. Government and non-government organizations can also providing room for shrimp culture. Shrimp is nocturnal fish, so that shrimp can be grown various kinds of food items. So production cost is very low, and it can be cultivated in any type of water or any type of depth of water. So for this reason, future of shrimp farming in Bangladesh is very bright, and this is the answer of the question number D. Now, one more important stem from Abdul Qadir Mullah City College, Narsindi. Here is a stem. Mr. Selim can read a report in the Daily Ittifaq that a special type of field crop and shrimp can be cultivated together. In this way, there is no loss of crop and also extra income from shrimp. He started integrated farming after getting advice from the Upazila Fisheries Officer on land preparation, planting of seedlings, releases in fry, and other management. Now, the answers from this stem of Abdul Qadir Mullah City College, Narsindi. Here are the questions. Question number C, that is applied type question. How Mr. Selim's integrated farming method is profitable? Explain. Yes, Mr. Selim's integrated farming method, that is rice cultivation with prawn, which is indicated in this stem, is very much profitable. From one hand, both rice and shrimp are obtained. By this method, the fertility of the soil of the field increases, and both the paddy crops and the shrimps are benefited. At present, shrimp is being cultivated fastly in the districts of Bagherhat, Barguna, Satkhira, Khulna, Jashore, Chinaido, etc. It is also cultivated in some other low-lying places in Bangladesh where water stays in the rice field for 4 to 6 months a year. In 50 to 60 lakh hectare land, we can cultivate shrimp with rice in 40 lakh hectare land, but at present we are cultivating Golda in 35,000 hectare land. Now, question number D. Evaluate the advice of the fisheries officer in the mentioned integrated farming. The advice of the fisheries officer in the mentioned integrated farming are given below. Now, the cultivation procedure of shrimp with rice. First of all, selection of land. The kind of land in which water can be held for 4 to 6 months in a year is suitable for this purpose. The rice field should have loamy or clay loam soil. Preparation of aisle. The aisle should be strong and high. The aisle should be 50 to 60 centimeter higher than the flood level. The depth of water on the rice field made the aisle should be at least 1 meter. Now, preparation of holes. For cultivating Golda shrimp and rice, some holes are needed to be made around the aisle, inside the rice field, in some suitable places. As the amount of water in the free hole is very much less, the water becomes whole under the burning sun during summer season. Now, the depth of hole is 62 to 60 centimeter, hole or canal 120 centimeter far from the aisle, and excess water should be removed using rainy season. Now, the preparation of land for shrimp. The higher parts of the rice field should be properly prepared for the paddy seedlings, and the lower parts for the shrimp. After drying the land, lime 1 kg decimal should be applied. Organic fertilizer should also be applied. Now preparation of land for paddy crops. The soil should be watered and lathered so that it becomes muddy. Now fertilizer application. All fertilizers should be applied, that is urea, TSP, MP, gypsum, during last throw except urea should be applied after 15, 30 and 55 days of transplanting. During top dressing of urea fertilizers, shrimp should be kept in the holes. Now planting of seedling. The age of the seedling must be 1 month. The fine to line distance should be 25 to centimeter, and regarding to seedling distance should be 15 meter. The distance should be properly maintained so that the shrimp can be moved throughout the sunlight will reach the water into the more natural food and produce which give in rapid growth for these fishes. Supply of water should be needed. Now collection of shrimp fry. The fry should be collected from government and non-government hatcheries. Shrimp available in our country in the month of Jyeshtha and Ashur. And release or rate of release of fish fry. How many fries should be releases can get hectare per hectare depends on the size of the fish and method of cultivation. But in case of cultivation, shrimps with area rise 10 to 15,000 fries can release per hectare for 1 decimal 50 to 60 length per hectare. This is all about the advice of fisheries officer in the mentioned integrated farming, that is question number D and its answer. Thanks to all for patience hearing.